Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum little stars. How are you? I hope you all are fine. A very warm welcome to all of you in your computer class. I am so excited to meet you all, and inshallah we will meet soon in our school. So today is your lecture number 1. I am your computer teacher. Myself, Miss Rabia. In today's lecture, we will start unit number 1, and the name of the unit is Know Your Computer. So I hope you all are having your computer books in front of you. So let's see contents of this unit, that what we are going to read in today's lecture. First of all, we will see what is a computer, then what is a machine, then we will read about data and information, and also input, process and output, and then we will study that how does a computer works, and at the end we will do a fun activity. So let's see what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine which processes data and turns it into meaningful information and also stores for later use. So dear students, we have different machines at our homes. Machines. What are machines? First of all, let's learn about machine, a tool that makes our work easy. These are called simple machines, like lever, inclined plane, wedge, wheel and axle, pulley, and there are other different home appliances like washing machine, fridge, TV, even a simple knife. It's a machine. Machine is a thing that makes our work easy. So computer is also an electronic machine which processes data and turns it into meaningful information and also stores for later use. Now you are little bit confused about the new terms data, what is information, what is process. Don't worry, I will tell you. A collection of facts and figures is called data. Like if you are entering something into the computer, like you are typing 2 plus 2 into the computer, it is the data you are giving to the computer. It is called data. Just like you are drawing a picture on your computer, so the drawing of picture is data. Data can be in any form, like it can be in text, image, audio or video. So after you give data to the computer starts thinking about it. Like if you give any question to the computer start thinking about it. So the thinking process is called processing. Process is an action which converts data into information. So computer starts thinking, it starts processing on your data, and after processing, computer will give us a information. A meaningful data is called information. So what is the main difference between data and information? Data is the raw facts and figures. Data do not have a particular meaning, but the information has a particular meaning. Information can also be in text, different form. It can be in text, audio, video or image. Now let's see some example to clear the concept of data. If you have some sugar, strawberry, ice and milk, all these ingredients separately do not give us a proper meaning. If we want to make a recipe, we need some ingredients, but the ingredients are not the thing that we need. The ingredients separately do not have any meaning. These are only the ingredients. Okay, and if we start working on the ingredients, like if we put sugar, strawberry, milk and ice into a mixer and start blending it, so the process is blending. The mixer starts processing and blending these ingredients, and after processing it will give us a information that is a strawberry shake. So we have a yummy strawberry shake with different ingredients. So the ingredients are called data and the blending is called processing, and the delicious strawberry shake is called information. So you see, it is very clear concept. It is very easy concept for you. Now we have three new terms: input, process and output. Input means when we give data to the computer, it is called input. Input is the raw material. If we give some data to the computer, it is called input. Just like if we want to make a cake, so what data we should have, what ingredients we should have? We should have eggs, butter, milk, sugar and flour. These all are the ingredients that we need to make a cake. So it is form of data. After this, we start processing it. So what is the process? The work that a computer performs on the data is called processing. Same like when we put all the ingredients into oven, it starts baking. So baking is the process. Same like this, computer starts processing on the data that we have given to it. So to make a cake, what is the processing? We put all these ingredients into oven and then start baking it. The next final step is output. What is output? The result which is produced by a computer after the processing is called output. So what? We give input to the computer, then the computer start processing it. After that we have a output. To make a cake, we input eggs, butter, milk, sugar and flour. Then the process is baking, and after that we have a final input in the form of a beautiful and delicious cake. So cake is the output. Now let's come towards page number 5. We have an interesting activity. The above qualities of a computer can be found in different animals too. Draw a line to match the animals with the statement. So you can open your book, page number 5. We have an activity that there are different animals. These animals also have the same qualities that a computer have. So what the qualities computer have? Computer makes our work easy, and computer never gets tired. Computer is very fast and accurate. It remembers everything. It always follows instructions. So here are some animals given. We start matching the qualities. Number 1, makes our work easy. So who makes our work easy? Yes, a donkey makes our works easy. It can carry a lot of load and make our work easy. Never gets tired. Who never gets tired? Yes, the ants never gets tired. They always walk and walk. They never gets tired. It is very fast and accurate. So the which animal is very fast and accurate? Yes, the tiger. Tiger is very fast and accurate. It remembers everything. So who remembers everything? Elephant. Elephant remembers everything. It never forget anything. It always follows instructions. So who always follows instructions? A dog. A dog is a faithful animal and it always follow instructions. So what you going to do? You will solve this activity on your book page number 5. Now your diary is to write questions on your notebook. Question number 1 from exercise page number 10. Write the definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic machine which processes data and turns it into meaningful information and also stores for later use. And question number 2 is differentiate between data and information. Data is a collection of facts and figures, and information is a meaningful data is called information. So write these 2 question answers on your books, on your notebooks. Your home assignment is to make a title page, then write contents as the key points and also solve activity on book page number 5 and then solve question number 1 and 2 on notebooks from exercise. So dear students, I hope you have learnt all the concepts very clearly. For next lecture, I have a question for you. So computer is a machine and calculator is also a machine. So now you tell me what is difference between a calculator and a machine. Both can solve sums. But what is the difference between computer and a machine? So think about it. I will ask answer from you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.